You're in Japan. We are here in the Tokyo International Cruise Terminal waiting for our DD, our taxi. As you can see, he will arrive in 8 minutes so we can go to Big Camera. It's the store where we want to find the iPhone. So we are heading to Big Camera. We are already in the taxi. Before we arrive there, meanwhile we're gonna show the city for you guys.
Yep.
We arrived in Big Camera. So let's see. The funny thing is we're trying to communicate with the
Terrible.
Terrible, papa. Anime session. Woo! Okay, I'm not an anime person, so unfortunately we didn't find the iPhone. Baby, how are you feeling about it?
No word. No word.
We've been all this way just to try an iPhone. Of course I'm gonna ask for my man to buy me Kit Kat. Here, baby. Thank you. Look, they have even matcha. Now I'm thirsty and I'm trying to find some drinks and they have a lot of good stuff in here. Eu tô no paraíso aqui para as mulheres, gente. Já peguei minhas vitaminas C, que a minha mãe pediu pra mim. E olha isso aqui. Paraíso. Botão de maquiagem. Mandei o... Não, em inglês não. Alright. I am in the paradise for women, guys. I just pick up what I want. My mom wants a vitamin C, so I already took for her. Now I want to find something else.
What did you buy?
I bought skin products and candy.
Candy, of course, candy.
Look at the McDonald's in Japan. What you bought?
I bought drone DJI Mini 5 Fly More, and I bought a SE3 Apple Watch.
Hello guys, as you see, we are going to Yodobashi Akiba. Come on. We got a cab.
To Shibuya Crossing.
Shibuya Crossing. Let's go. You see how nice they close their door automatically. And here we are in Shibuya, the famous street in Japan.
Thank you so much.
That was so funny.
What do you think about Tokyo,
I
love?
love it. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave to the ship and we have to.
Tokyo is amazing.
Yeah, it was fun. Beautiful.